Oh hey, it's Matty P here. First things first, you're probably wondering, where did I get such an amazing shirt? The Wizard of Za? Yeah, that's right. It's designed by my friend John Cutt, who you can see at the High Road Design on Instagram. So I'll put a link down there below. This is not a paid promo. I just got this in the mail and I'm extra happy I have this badass t-shirt. Today we're going to be opening a very questionable bottle of kombucha that I've been brewing for an unknown amount of time. I completely forget when I brewed this batch. It was sitting in the cabinet behind me and it has been lost in time. So that is the experiment for today. This is a regular size 2-liter bottle, an empty one. This slightly pudged out bottle is a bottle of kombucha that's been brewing for X amount of time and is potentially explosive. All right, so here's a side-by-side comparison. You can see the label is somewhat higher on the bucha filled bottle. It's kind of leaning to the left, camera right, because it is so filled with gases from fermenting that it's completely bowed out. It is puffed out to the bottom to the point where there is no discernible shape to it as it formerly had, as you can see in this bottle right here. A little different. You might even be able to see stress fractures forming in the plastic. It's sort of slowly shattering and falling apart. It looks really crazy. Oh, that's a good shot. You can also see a bunch of stress fractures towards the top, if that is the scientific term for it. It's solid. It is so solid. Even the cap is beginning to push outwards. At some point, this is completely gonna explode inside my cabinet. So the plan is to open it today, see how explosive it is. Now I have opened explosive bottles of kombucha before. If you saw some of my Instagram stories, I had a bottle similar to this that I forgot about and did kind of explode, but this is honestly beyond that. It is even further along than I could have imagined. So let's see here. So this is the side-by-side look, just to try and give a comparison about how stretched out the bottle is. It's like a completely different shape. And yes, there's the end of it. And those stress fractures look really crazy from here. So I'm glad I remembered to actually try and do this video today. Perhaps when I'm not around and all of a sudden my house is exploding. And yeah, the top section's pretty hilarious too. It's like a full ½ inch bigger on the top. And yeah, the bottle cap, slightly different shape. Even the top of the bottle, completely bowed out on top near the neck there. It's crazy. I'm actually amazed it didn't blow up already, seriously. Even the label itself, I've done nothing to this. I haven't tried to tear it off or pull it off. It's completely warped and as if the bottle has stretched it off on its own. Let's get a look at the bottle maybe without the label. Whoa. Okay, that kind of worked. Some serious kombucha in here. I think it's just did the regular kombucha, which is black tea. I might have put a bit of lemon in this, but other than that, it's pretty just normal. It's quite dark, and I'm not even gonna try and shake it for fear of blowing off my own head. I'm gonna open it slowly. One thing, listen to the sound of it as it rolls. That can't be good. It sounds like it's gonna shatter. Have you ever seen plastic shatter before? I have not. Okay, I'm really playing with fire here. That really sounds bad. All right, enough talking, it's go time. Let's see how this goes. Wish me luck. So far, so good. I feel like maybe I should put on safety goggles or something. I'm twisting a lot, I'm still not hearing anything. This is kind of creepy. Yep. Yep. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. It didn't actually explode. Whew. Oh my. I thought for sure that was gonna blow up everywhere. Okay. Success. I had a towel here ready to go, and that worked out much better actually than my last time. Wow. Crazy. Okay. We're gonna sample this kombucha now because it must be good for however many months it's been going. I'm gonna guess at least 5 months for this one. Do a real nice close-up pour. Whoa, 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 that is fizzy. A gentle pour. That is crazy. Okay, so bartenders, take note, pour this one on an angle. I wasn't expecting that much foam on it. Cheers, let's try it. It's good, that's really good. Very bubbly. I didn't put any sweetener in, so this is just straight up bucha. Sometimes when you're brewing it and you leave it too long, I'm gonna do a full-on episode about how I make bucha because it is pretty crazy. If you leave it too long, it turns vinegary. But because I took this out and there's no fruit and there's no SCOBY left to do any more primary fermentation in it, it actually does not turn vinegary. It just gets more and more carbonated. So that is a good look. Yeah, that's great. You might want to sweeten it with something, maybe a stevia or honey. Personally, I just like it straight up. I don't have much of a sweet tooth as it is, so that is awesome. Okay, success. Look how bubbly that is. Fantastic. Benefits of it? I don't know. As usual, I'm no expert. I'll put a link below to the benefits of kombucha. I just like how it tastes. I like fizzy stuff. It's free to make. It's a fun little project. You can do all kinds of different flavors. Shout out to my friends Jenny and Sean. They're the ones that actually got me into kombucha. They make tons of it and have all kinds of flavors around the house at all times. So cheers to you guys, Jenny and Sean. Okay. Damn, that's awesome. Okay, one more thing before I go, maybe two more things. I have another bottle of mystery kombucha in there that potentially is flavored that I should probably open too. It wasn't looking as harsh as that bottle, but now you might be cringing about how gross it is. It's just residual SCOBY stuff. Let's try this one too. Oh, nothing. Ooh, I don't even know what flavor this is. Let's try it. Oh, yo. This is a sorrel one. So I would have made this around Christmas, so this is pretty old too. I'll get a different glass just to show the color on it, because it is a very pretty color. And we'll see if any residual SCOBY comes out of it. They do look pretty weird. That's the part that grosses people out when they see the actual mushroom part. Whoa. Yeah. Okay. So that is definitely sorrel. Just like they make in Jamaica at Christmas time. So you can see the red color. Yeah, that's nice. I do sorrel with ginger, so it's got a hint of ginger left in it. That's actually damn good. Okay. I'm motivated now to do new kombucha episodes. I'm gonna show you the SCOBY real quick to hopefully get you hyped for the next episode when I do my process of kombucha start to finish. Like I said, I kind of get in and out with making kombucha. I'll drink a whole lot of it, then I'll forget about it or get bored of it, and then I'll start fresh again. So I've left it in my cupboard for some time and the SCOBY's just gone massive. So let's look. Oh, this is the SCOBY jar. pretty big amount of kombucha. So there's a large SCOBY in the middle, which is the mushroom that essentially eats the sugars out of the black tea and ferments it. And I replace the liquid every couple weeks. And there's another SCOBY growing on the top. And yeah, that's getting pretty out of hand. You don't really want to deal with a SCOBY that big, but I could easily cut these off and give them to friends of mine. So friends, if you want some SCOBYs, I got them. I was inspired by the Earl of Lemongrab from Adventure Time to design this awesome bottle myself. I'm not gonna pull out the SCOBY right now and freak people out. We'll save that for the next episode. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll do more kombucha tasting or kombucha fermenting start to finish in another episode. So thank you very much. Please comment and share below. Bless up.